kitchen with Duran.
Alright, let's get started. We're gonna make some chocolate fudge rumballs today. So the first thing we're gonna need to do, get your fudgios. We're gonna wanna just look at those nice fudgios there. We're gonna put 50 of those fudgios in our food processor.
Normal cooking.
Alright. I'm gonna take fudgios, yeah. Put them all in there. Alright. That's good.
Normal cooking.
Alright, we processed all the cookies into this fine bowl of cookie crumbs. So now we're going to take our pecans, I'm going to open them right up. And we're going to take our pecans, we're going to put them in the food processor. Make sure you get all the pecans in this. Get every single ounce of pecan in there. Alright, let's grind them up. There's a problem.
I think you forgot something.
I forgot one part. While we're fixing the problem, let's do a little promo for the creativefinds art show. This is our 10th year. It's a big celebration. So it's going to be on Friday and Saturday. On Friday, it's going to be from 12 p.m. to 6 p.m.
And I'll be there on Friday.
And on Saturday, it's going to be from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. Yeah, it's going to be good. It's going to be real good. We fixed the problem. We didn't fix the problem.
You gotta plug it in.
Oh yeah, that's pretty good.
Why need a broom when you got a dog?
Oh Jesus! I'm not gonna drink it on camera. Okay, so we got our pecans here. They're all nice and pulverized. We got our cookie crumbs here, nice and spinny. So we're gonna mix them both together like that. Corn syrup, yeah. So this, the measurements are down below. You know that. And that's about good. Stir it up. Now let's just spice it up a little bit. We're gonna add some bourbon.
Whoa.
We're gonna add some rum.
Easy. Whoa.
Normal cooking.
Now we shape them into a ball form. You don't need the spoon because spoon's for chumps. You know? Not chump, are you? Chump. Just want to get size right about that. And they're ready, just like that. Don't they smell great? It's time for the tasting.
Cheers.
Cheers. That's so good.
Nice.
2 hours later.